This company just might change the way X-ray imaging is done. Stay tuned, you really don't want to miss this one. Hi guys, in today's video we are going to cover a company that might be changing or might be taking over the whole X-ray imaging concept. Name of the company is Nano-X Imaging, ticker symbol NNOX. And the reason why we want to discuss this company is because it is very close to FDA approval. Okay, they are not FDA approved as of yet, but they are expecting within this month of March, to get that approval. Now if we look at the recent history on this stock, you can tell that not too long ago, at the end of January, this stock ran up all the way to $89, and since then it came all the way down, steady decline down. Currently trading at 46.28, which I think is an awesome opportunity right now to get into this company, because you pretty much got it at half the price, and within the next month or so, if we do get an FDA approval on this company, you can pretty much see it run up all the way up past $100 as well. It's gonna be based on that FDA approval, but this company already is working on tons of these X-ray machines, and because they have that already going, and basically they're right around the corner from FDA approval. So this is an opportunity for you to get into this company, and the reason why I find this company is because usually most X-ray machines, they sell you the machine. Within this company, they work a little different, and I want to read a little bit of information of them for you. It says X-ray reimagined, Nano-X. We have developed a digital X-ray source enabling a cost reduction of imaging systems by orders of magnitude. We are a global company planning mass development of imaging systems. Our goal is to drive early detection, preventive healthcare as a new standard of care. Now I'm going to go into this right here. Nano-X Imaging has developed an alternative X-ray solution to replace traditional analog high voltage filament heated systems, which are currently the standard on the market. While the technicalities are complex, the company believes its novel silicone-based cold cathode field emissions technology represents a paradigm shift to the essential medical devices. The advantage here is that the product can be produced at a lower cost with potentially superior imaging, allowing for expanded uses in preventive medicine. Indeed, a real-world demonstration has validated the technology with working models supporting a wave of signed contracts for the devices, helping to send shares of Nnox up over 70% since its 2020 IPO, guys. So it already has contracts signed, okay? It already has contracts signed with different companies. All they need is an FDA clearance, and they can go ahead and ship out these machines, which are already in production, already made, just ready to be shipped out. To break this down in summary, innovative X-ray imaging technology is pending FDA approval. Attraction in the stock comes down to the business model based on a pay-per-scan service to support accelerated adoption. Now imagine this, guys. Imagine if you're a hospital or a doctor and you do X-ray imaging regardless, but if you get a better product, a higher quality product, and you don't have to pay for the machine, yet instead you just pay per scan, I think that allows you as a doctor or the hospital a cheaper alternative, and you're paying per scan. That means paying per customer that needs a scan. Therefore, I would imagine that any hospital would accept this, because at the same time they're not going to have to maintain these machines. If the machine goes out, Nano-X sends their own people to fix these machines. Nano-X has their own people to cover all these machines wherever they're at. I think it's also very good for Nano-X, because now it's not like they have to sell these machines and have sales and hit certain number of sales. Instead, they would provide the machine and just charge off us each scan that they do, which I think is very interesting, because they don't have to depend solely on just having to sell these very, very, very expensive machines, okay? So I think this allows them flexibility, and I think it'll really help them in the long run in creating income and revenues for this company, okay? We are bullish on Nnox following the recent sell-off and believe several upcoming catalysts can drive shares higher in 2021. Now, I wanted to point this out. There is a huge catalyst right here. Nano-X, aside from the FDA approval, this catalyst, which is happening tomorrow, Wednesday, okay? Nano-X to participate in the virtual 31st annual Oppenheimer Healthcare's conference. I think this will be big because it'll get this product out there. It'll get this product to be seen by thousands of people. You can also download here the conference and you could watch it live as well, okay? For all the investors, people that are interested in investing in this company, I think this is a great opportunity. You're getting this company at a very cheap price. You have a lot of room to grow with this company, okay? And I think with the FDA approval, as soon as that comes, this company's taking off. With that, guys, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you can go ahead and get these videos every time we release them. Also, if you're not following us, make sure you follow us at Investing OG on Twitter, at Investing OG. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.